exposing the hidden gem in your career toolkit. DynamicsXpert Hub is here to supercharge your journey. DynamicsXpert Hub is not just a channel, it's a thriving community for Dynamics professionals like you. Want to showcase your skills and get the recognition you deserve? We've got your back. Join us for weekly discussion workshops where you can dive into the latest features, share your challenges, and find solutions together. We're all in this to learn and grow. No judgment, just support. Got a killer tip or a game-changing blog? We'll post it on our LinkedIn, giving you the spotlight you've earned. And yes, full credits to you. Facing a tight deadline? Don't stress. Our instant support network is here to help you out of any bind. So why wait? Elevate your Dynamics career with the power of community. Subscribe to DynamicsXpert Hub today, and let's learn, share, and grow together. See you in the Hub.